I'm going to talk about the atomic bomb today. The first time an atomic bomb was used was August 6, 1945. An American B-29 bomber flying low over Hiroshima, Japan, dropped it, killing 80,000 innocent civilians. Then 3 days later, on August 9, 1945, a second atomic bomb was dropped on Nagasaki, Japan, and that one killed 40,000 people. Tens of thousands would die painful deaths and injuries due to the radioactive exposure. How does an atomic bomb even work? Here's a little information to help you answer that. We know from science class that the ratio of protons and neutrons is 1:1, and that means the atom as a whole will have a neutral charge. Well, scientists have started to wonder what would happen if the ratio was different. When the number of neutrons changed, you end up with an isotope and has radioactive nuclei. This gives off a particle called radiation through a process called radioactive decay. And this is the process that scientists use to create the atomic bomb. There are different ways to destabilize a particle. The first is fission. With fission, you split the nuclei of an atom in two. As the nucleus splits, it shoots out neutrons along with bursts of electromagnetic energy called gamma rays. Yep, the same rays that turned Bruce Banner into the Hulk in the Avengers. Yay! Scientists are able to do this by bombarding it with free neutrons. Fusion brings together the nucleus of two atoms to form one large one. Fusion is the same way the sun makes energy. Through lots of trial and error, scientists discovered that uranium was the element that works best to create the fission reaction. Uranium-235's nucleus would readily absorb the neutrons and will become unstable and split, throwing off 2 or 3 neutrons in the process. And those neutrons will go and collide with the neutrons of other nucleus of other uranium-235, which started the fission chain reaction. This process happened in millipicoseconds, which is 0.000000001 seconds. Scientists have known about the possibility of this since Einstein states, but did not successfully weaponize it till World War II.